Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trade on Bitget. Right? You actually have multiple options in trading here under Bitget. Let's say, for example, you have futures, okay, USDT-M futures, USDC-M futures, CoinM, so on and so forth. Under trade, you have spot, margin, on-chain, or even convert on blockchain. Okay, spot right here, we have the trading pairs for USDT, USDC, Fiat, BTC. And if you want to, you can go ahead and check the channel out. We have a ton of Bitget videos where we talk about spot, futures, or even earn right here. You can go ahead and check it out. And under buy crypto, we have P2P trading here as well. We have a separate video for this as well. Okay, if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check the channel. You can go ahead and browse the channel, okay? So let's just talk about spot right here real quick. Okay, spot, basically select the trading pair. For example, buying in USDT right here. I'm going to click on it. And by the way, if you don't have assets right here under your spot account, you can just go ahead and click on deposit. Okay, now deposit which coin? Of course, USDT. Okay, select the network. Or you could go ahead and go to your futures wallet, like so. Let's say you have a balance in here for USDT, click on transfer. Now from USDT-M futures, for example, you have a balance in here. Now you can go ahead and transfer it to spot, enter the amount, hit on confirm, and you'll have that balance under your spot. Now you can go ahead and trade. Okay, it will update right here. Now, spot right here, buy and sell, or buy or sell, that limit, market. You select market if you want to buy or sell, okay, crypto on its best available current price. You select a limit right here, which you can go ahead and set a specific price. For example, for 50 US dollars, okay, let's say the quantity should be at 300. Then go ahead and enter the price. All right, so the order basically fills only when the market reaches this specific price. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on buy right here. You'd also set the take profit and stop loss right here if you want to. If not, just leave it. Okay, otherwise done, just click on buy pie. All right, now if you want to sell, go ahead and go to sell. How much pie? Maybe 10 or 100. It's up to you. And the price will be listed in here. Okay, tap on sell. Once done, you're good to go. And that is how you trade on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.